Okay, so I'm gonna start my room tour. Wait lang. So, yeah, so over here, yung door here, tapos merong malaking closet dito. May malaking closet in front of me na nag-open up yung lights kapag binubuksan. So let's see. So it's right here. Yan. See? Meron siyang lights. Nag-open up siya pag binuksan mo. And then, andito na din yung safety deposit. Ayan, extra storage. Ayan, lalagyan mo lang dyan yung ano mo. Tapos yung iron board here, meron sila kung gusto mo magplancha. And lalagyan ng luggage. Pero hindi ko nilalagay yung luggage ko siya kasi tinatamad ako. So, close na natin to. And then, if we walk here, actually, ang ganda ng ano na to, ang ganda ng room na to kasi ang ganda ng hotel na to. I don't know, I think it's considered a resort kasi I think they also have all-inclusive like ng mga deals, ganyan, kapag nag-book ka sa airline, tapos all-inclusive resort, ganon. Yung mga usually ginagawa ko pag nandito ako sa South or Caribbean area. Yeah, so let's start here naman. So ito naman yung coffee maker. Yan, meron silang old coffee maker. Let's see what's in here. Pwede kang umorder ng food kung gusto mo. Ano ba yan? Meron pang basura. Anyway, ayan. This is in peso. 75 peso for ginger ale. Ayan. And then, I'm guessing this is all the coffee. Yeah. Ayan. Diyan lahat ng coffee. Coffee mate. Wow, ang cute naman ng coffee mate nila. Very Filipino. There's a coffee beans. Yes. And filter. Cups. Nakalagay sa baul ng alahas. Ayan. Okay, next. Should I do 0.5 or 1 lang? I think 1 lang. Okay, ayan. So, next is the bathroom.